everyone, how are you? So today I am here with very cute doodles. I love to draw, and especially the cute doodles is my favorite. So today I have made some doodles, and after making them I converted them, I used them in some educational purpose. So I made the flashcard from that, and in the flashcard I have used bubble font calligraphy also. So today I will show you what I have done, and so one by one I will show you all my drawings and the calligraphy also. A for apple, B for bee, C for cupcake, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fox, G for grapes, H for hippopotamus, I for ice cream, J for jellyfish, K for koala, L for lion, M for monkey, N for narwhal, O for owl, P for panda, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for snake, T for turtle, U for umbrella, V for vulture, W for whale, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. So you can draw these drawings to relax because colors really makes you feel refreshed and energetic, and then you can use it for educational purpose and for any other purpose where it can be used. So I hope you must have liked my these flashcards and drawing. So today I will teach you how to make it. So let's start. So take out your paper and your pencil and start drawing these flashcards along with me. So we will start with the flashcard A. So first of all I will teach you how to draw this apple. So you can divide the paper into 4 parts and then make this curve like this opposite of C, and then join and draw like this. Now this is a apple eaten by some, so we'll just draw like this. Now we will draw above it. Now I will draw the eyes of this apple, oval eyes. And then I will make the another eye also, mouth, eyebrows and mouth. So my apple is ready. Now I will tell you how to do the bubble font. I have to write the bubble font alphabets. So you have to write the alphabet A, but it has to be as if it is a bubble, a little thick. And in the same way you have to draw small alphabet A. This also little thick. So this is alphabet A and this is apple. Now I will teach you how to make this cute honeybee. So this bee, first of all I have to make an oval. Leave a little space on the upper side and draw the wings. Same way, draw the wings on the other side also. Now make some stripes. First of all I will teach you drawing and then I will do the coloring also. Then you can make 2 antennas, then eyes, mouth, and again I will teach you how to do this bubble font calligraphy. So again you have to make the bee, a thick bee, and circle as if it is a bubble style, and the small bee again little like a bubble and a small circle inside. So this is calligraphy bubble font calligraphy and your drawings. Now I will do the coloring. So apple I will color red color in one direction. I'm using pencil color. You can use whatever medium you like. So like this I will color the apple and the bubble font also, and then I will color the alphabet B. And now I will color inside this bubble font. So like this you can color it and you can use it. Drawing is, when you draw, this color really relaxes us and give us lot of energy and positivity. And then use it in the educational purpose. It is useful for parents, teachers, anyone who love colors, positivity, drawing. It is useful for everyone, special educators. So everyone can use it because they have to make so many visuals. You can sit along with children, draw along, give them a paper. You can also draw, they can also draw. So it's a good family time also. So you can do this thing, and it's fill us with lot of positivity also. It's a very good activity. Now I will color this B. So strips wise you have to do this black color, and then after this rest of the stripes I will do with yellow color. So you can also draw these. I think you are able to draw along with me, and you can next time I will bring more flashcards. Rest of the flashcards also I will tell you to draw one by one. And yes, I take classes also, online classes also. So if someone is interested into joining the online classes, or any details regarding the online classes, if anyone you want, you can please mail me at in the on the mail archanakhali@gmail.com. This I have given this mail in the description also. You can check the mail on the description. And otherwise you can learn from my YouTube. I will bring many more good videos in the YouTube. So please, I'm enjoying it. I hope you are also enjoying it. Subscribe my channel, share it with all the people to spread positivity. Others can also draw. It's a very good hobby, and children or any age is not a factor with this thing. So subscribe it, share it, and anything you want to ask in detail about anything, you can ask on my email. So like this you can color on the bubble font also. So I have completed my drawing, and I have even drawn the calligraphy also. So this is level 1 drawing. Even you can make many more types of fonts and drawings also. So I will bring more other flashcards afterwards. And please draw and comment in the comment box about your feedback also. I will eagerly wait for your feedback. And please subscribe and share. Okay, bye.